Welcome to the room tour of room 313 here at the Holiday Inn in Elizabeth with your host, one Glenn Murphy.
I wonder why it's Elizabeth. It's right across the street from the Newark Airport. Go figure.
Good question.
So, is this a queen size bed?
I don't know.
No, this is a king size bed.
It's a king.
Is this a queen size TV? No, this is a king size TV. 1, 2, 3 lamps. Instant on air conditioning. And look at that view. Voila!
Wow.
It's a very sexy parking garage across the road over there. You want to see the bathroom?
Yeah.
This way.
Look at his little backpack, everybody. He's going to school.
Looks like a Game Boy cat. There you go.
Wow. Nice big sink. Lots of little storage. Wow, pretty nifty, huh?
They have one of those curtain rods that makes you think you have a bigger tub. See? Look up at the curtain rod. Ah,
Dang.
you curtain rod.
That's a nice shower, dude.
Alright.
Fit perfect for you.
Excellent mundo. I can put my belly in there and everything.
Now, you're probably all wondering why we're here.
Why?
No, we did not move.
You're moving?
We're on our way to an extraordinary adventure in the Caribbean.
Oh, it's going to be extraordinary, all right.
You guys saw my reel earlier. For those of you who follow us on the Lucia and Glenn Facebook page, we are going to be taking up residency on the MSC World America this week. Our itinerary is going through the Caribbean, which is Puerto Plata, San Juan, and the private island Ocean Cay in the Bahamas. We're getting reports that there is a possible Category 5 hurricane going through the Caribbean right now. So we know that our route is going to be rerouted. Where we're going to end up, I don't know.
We don't know anything.
Right. We have no details as of yet. We have no details as of yet. So come along with us. We're going to be on the cruise for the next 7 days. We're going to have some special guests with us. Some of you guys will recognize them if you're local here in Pennsylvania. Some of you won't know, but we'll explain. And then we're going to be up in Boston after that for a good 4 days. So this is going to be a great 11-day trip. We'll see you on the boat.